Hey guys, this is Anis. Welcome back to another unboxing video. As you can see, today I'm going to unbox Mi router for Gigabit editions. So let's get started. And as you can see, in front of box routers itself and some feature about, and it is a dual band AC router. So in back side it has showing some feature and QR code for mi Wi-Fi apps. If you scan it and then download the apps, is mi standard packagings. And I'm opening. Actually I don't have knife, so I'm just yes. First of all, it's router itself with plastic cover. Then user manual with almost some different language with an English, Dutch, Italiano. So and another warranty notice, fuse paper, power brick. It is 12 volt and 1 ampere power breaker. Then Ethernet cable and main device itself. So I'm unpacking, and it has 4 antenna, 2 of 5 gigahertz and 2 of for 2.4 gigahertz. And as you can see, here's a 2 LED indicator, one for power as well as and another for internet. And here's mi logo, and its back is huge ventilations for heat heat sink. So here is some informations about the Wi-Fi, and here is one power input and two gigabit and 2 gigabit LAN ports, and another one is WAN port. So and for last one is reset buttons. So pretty simple. It's all similar mi 4C model, and simply designed, very minimalistic. And